Have you ever wondered who can see your files on Google Drive or what happens when you share a document with someone? Today, I'm going to answer these questions and show you how to take control of your Google Drive security. In Google Drive, there are two main access levels that control who can see and interact with your files. First, we have restricted. This is the most private option. Only people you've specifically shared the file with can see it. Next, we have anyone with a link. This means that anyone who has a link to your file can access it based on the permissions you set. It is worth noting that if you are using a company Google account, you may see a third option that includes the name of your company. This option allows anyone within the company to access the file, making it easier to collaborate with colleagues. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about how to actually share a file with specific people. To share a file, you can either right-click on it and select Share, or click on the three dots next to the file and select Share. In the Share box, enter the email address of the person you want to share the file with. You'll be asked if you want to notify the person. You can choose to notify them or not. If you want to add a message, you can type it in the box. Choose the permission level you want to give the person: viewer, commenter, or editor. Note that if you are using a company's Google account, you may also have the option to set an expiration date for the shared file, so the person will lose access after a certain date. For more advanced settings, click the gear icon. Here, you see two important settings. First, editors can change permissions and share. If you tick this box, editors will be able to change the permissions of the file and share it with others. If you untick this box, editors will only be able to view and edit the file, but they won't be able to change the permissions or share it with others. Second, viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. If you tick this box, viewers and commenters will be able to see the option to download, print, and copy the file. If you untick this box, viewers and commenters won't be able to see the option to download, print, and copy, and therefore won't be able to perform these actions. By adjusting these settings, you can control exactly what people can do with your file and keep your sensitive information safe. Sharing folders. Sharing a folder is similar to sharing a file. To share a folder, click the three dots next to the folder and select Share. The same security and access controls that we explained earlier will still apply. However, note that when you share a folder, all the files inside that folder will inherit the folder's permissions. This means that if you share a folder with someone, they'll be able to access all the files inside that folder based on the permissions you set. Remember to always double check your permissions before sharing sensitive information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.